only structure like that. So here majorly we grow bananas and sugarcane lot, and we have wildlife also here. So we have a lot of bears and lot of leopards. So we have a lot of leopards, but never attacked people, because we believe that like when Rama came here, that time we called Chaturmasa. Chaturmasa, that's a monsoon season. So in monsoon season, they stayed here till they finish monsoon season. Then they walked to the north direction. They found Hanuman, and Hanuman birthplace also is Hampi, and Vali Sugriva's ruling also it happens in Hampi those days. So after, so when Jambuvant also from Hampi, no, that's why all the danger species they promised the Rama. So we don't do anything for the humans. So that's why till now we not got any problem with these bears and leopards. Yeah. So Lord Shiva, when Parvati, before she's name called Girija Devi, no? So Girija Devi, when she jumped on the fire, she became a Sati. So when she became a Sati, then Shiva, he left the heaven, he came here, he sat on the meditation on Hemakuta Hill. Hemakuta Hill is in Hampi only. So now we are going to see that. So after that, like when all the god and goddesses, they not cared about the Shiva. So they start doing their work. So that time Tripurasura demons are there in heaven. So they have a boon. They do, if any, all the god and goddesses to be together, so then only they will go to kill it by the god. If one god miss in that group, they don't kill it by the god. So they know that demons, they have an idea, nobody have a power to wake up Shiva's meditation, because Shiva is open the third eye and he will burn out whoever standing in front of him. So that's why they start according the heaven. Then all the god and goddesses, they made a plan. However, we need to disturb the Shiva's meditation. That's why they went and they in front of the Manmatha and request the Manmatha to disturb the Shiva's meditation. Then Manmatha and Rati came here and they done some Rasanila in front of the Shiva, but Shiva not break up from the meditation. Then the Manmatha decided to shot with the arrow, and he shot with the arrow to the third eye. Then Shiva opened the third eye and rebuffed the Manmatha in this place. So then Rati, she is there. So Rati, she start crying and she start asking like, Shiva, we came to disturb your meditation because we need to save the heaven. So the thing is, I need my husband back. So then Shiva told her like, see, it has happened, I can't do anything, I'm not a creator. So I can't create your husband, but I can give you a boon, you can feel your husband, you can't see your husband. Then she's not satisfied with that, and she crushed on the Shiva. So nobody want to worship your figure, you need to become a figureless. Then Shiva become a Shivalinga, then love become blind. So that's what happened here. Take right side. Continue the way. So now we are in Virupapura right now.
Right or left?
Right.
Right.
So you can see a borders. These are all borders created by nature, volcano eruption.
Yeah.
So it is under the ocean billions years ago. So and there is natural caves, and you can see a bushes in the corner of the rocks. So that's all wild berries. That's not just a random trees. So that's why the bears are very happily staying here. When they got bored to eat that berries, they come to the field, they eat sugarcane. So for them it is like Hampi was a palace for them. Nobody is there to disturb them. Like that.
Blue color.
You can see on your right side, these are all the temples. So those
right
days,
side, right?
Yeah, right side. So these are all Shiva temple and Vishnu temple. Just continue the way. So Shiva temple, Vishnu temple is there. Go.
Straight, huh?
Straight.
Right.
Now take left.
Left, yeah.
Virupaksha temple. You have to park here?
Yeah. No, we'll go more.
Okay.
further. So now we are going to visit the Lord Shiva temple. We call Virupaksha here. So here Shiva, he opened the third eye. He was in angry position. We need to make him calm. So that's why we worship 3 times in the day. Now we are at Hemakuta Hill. So this is Hemakuta Hill.
Go straight, right?
Yeah, left. See, look at on your left side. You can see a big main tower there. So that is a Virupaksha temple main entry gate.
Okay.
Too straight.
അടിപൊളി അടിപൊളിയാണ്
Straight
കേട്ടോ.
away.
We are getting a feeling that we are some billion years back
Yes.
after seeing these rocks.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
rocks are take right side.
Natural things.
Take inside the parking. Take right. Now take right and left.
This inside.
Inside.
Yeah, inside. Left.
All guides are there.
Now there are rickshaw guys. Straight. Straight. We'll go more inside. Go straight away.
Straight, huh?
Straight. Straight. Take left.
Huh?
Take left.
Left.
Yes, left. From the road, you take right.
Okay.
അവിടെ എന്ത് കാണുന്നു കളർ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ ബ്ലാക്ക്
Take right.
നീലയാണ്
Okay.
Yeah, now take left again. Park it in the parking.
Inside?
Yeah, right side.
Right.
Take
side.
right.
Can you park
Wherever
here?
Wherever you find the space, you can park it.
ഈ ഇവിടെ പോയിട്ട്
I can park it
റിവേഴ്സിൽ പാർക്ക് ചെയ്യണം.
Reversing ഞാൻ
No, you can park it like this. We can take
എങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ
reverse.
നേരെ പോ ഫ്രണ്ടും കയറില്ല
ഉം?
നേരെ പോ അവിടെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഉള്ള സ്ഥലമുള്ള എടുത്തിട് കാണ്ട
മരുന്നിൻ്റെ അടിയിൽ.
ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട് നല്ല സ്ഥലമല്ലേ അടിപൊളി സ്ഥലം
നല്ല സ്ഥലം.
നല്ല സ്ഥലം
So these are the bazaars in those days. What you see.
ഓക്കെ
inside
മതി
Okay, so now we are going inside the temple. The